हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू हीरो होंडा इंडियन टेलीविजन एकेडमी अवार्ड्स। बच्चन बाबू का जलवा तो आप लोगों ने देख लिया, लेकिन इस अवार्ड नाइट के जलवे अभी एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग मोड पे पहुंच चुके हैं। और अब बारी आती है उन अवार्ड्स की, उन सीरियल्स की जिनको कि बच्चे अगर रात को देखें तो उनको रातों को नींद ना आए, बड़े देखें तो उनके नसों में खून रुक जाए। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द थ्रिलर्स एंड द हॉरर शोज।
And the nominees are
Special Squad, United Television Software, CID, Special Bureau, Fireworks Production, CID, The Killer Lake, Fireworks Production, Time Bomb, Deepa Sahi and Ketan Mehta.
and to give away these awards, I would request on stage Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar and Mr. Raman Kumar.
Good evening, everybody. Best thriller horror series goes to Special Squad.
I'd like to accept this award on behalf of UTV. Thank you very much. Thank you.
चलिए अब भूतों की दुनिया से निकलते हैं और चलते हैं हंसी और ठहाकों की दुनिया में। बेस्ट सीरियल कॉमेडी के जूरी अवार्ड के नॉमिनीज हैं
Chupa Rustam, Arun Thapar, Life Out of Control, Eagle Films Private Limited, Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, Jamnadas Majetia, Hats Off Production, and the Great Indian Comedy Show, Conchilo Films Limited.
and the award goes to
सतीश शाह, सारा भाई वर्सेस सारा भाई।
सब चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, मैंने दोनों को छुपा दिया है।
ये कौन है?
Plumber.
लेडी प्लमर।
हर एक भेस के मंजर,
देश देश के भेस भेस के प्यारे मंजर,
बहुत दूर के मंजर, पल में बदलते मंजर।
थैंक यू। मेरा चेहरा देखकर अक्सर ऐसा लगता है कि ये खड़ूस है, और हालांकि मैं हूँ थोड़ा, पर एनीवे आई थैंक एवरीबॉडी ओवर हियर, स्पेशली द ज्यूरी with whom I was just having a very informal chat. On behalf of my co-partner producer JD Majetia and my entire team out here, the jury, the organizers of this wonderful institution, I sincerely thank, because we really put in a lot of effort in making this show, Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, each and every person. And I thank everybody who've tolerated me as a writer, because I don't deliver the scripts in time and I can't do anything about it. Thank you very much. I would like Devin to say a few words, who's really a great captain of the ship.
थैंक यू। मैंने बहुत तैयारी की थी कि ये बोलूँगा वो बोलूँगा, लेकिन अब सिर्फ थैंक यू बोलूँगा सबको। थैंक यू।
और अब बारी है कॉमेडी शो के मास्टरमाइंड की, द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप। नॉमिनीज कॉमेडी शो बेस्ट डायरेक्टर्स कौन कौन है?
Devin Bhojani and Atish Kapadia, Instant Khichdi, Rajiv Mehra, LOC, Life Out of Control, Devin Bhojani, Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, and Rajan Vagdhare, Yes Boss.
The awards go to Devin Bhojani for Sarabhai versus Sarabhai.
तो कौवा है। नहीं, पब्लिक ताली बजा रही।
कौवे को उड़ाने के लिए कि उड़ उड़ जा। थोड़ा फंबल हो जाऊंगा तो आप लोग मत डरिएगा, मैं बहुत डर रहा हूँ। मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है और मैंने एक लिस्ट तैयार की थी किन किन को थैंक यू कहना। मुझे पता है कि जब वहाँ बैठे होते हैं तो वो बहुत बोरिंग होता है सुनना, लेकिन यहाँ आके फिर वो थैंक यू कहना मैं मिस नहीं करना चाहता। तो मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ जेडी को सबसे पहले, हेड्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आतिश को और हमारी पूरी टीम को वहाँ पर, और मेरे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स, भगवान, आईटी अवार्ड्स।
हीरो होंडा इंडियन टेलीविजन अकेडमी अवार्ड्स के बेस्ट डायरेक्टर ड्रामा के नॉमिनीज हैं
अजय सिन्हा अस्तित्व एक प्रेम कहानी, अमृत एंड शक्ति सागर हातिम, रमन हरि कुमार शर्मा मिली एंड नंदू कुमार काले स्पेशल स्क्वाड।
एंड द अवार्ड गोज टू
Definitely not me. So it's Nand Kumar Kale.
बहुत दूर के मंजर, पल में बदलते मंजर, तरह तरह के रूप रूप के सारे।
Thanks. Thanks to Umesh Padalkar. Thanks to Star One, Vipul. Thanks to UTV. Thanks to my team, Sunil and other ADs, Bhanu, Manish, my family. Thanks to ITA. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आज की शाम के क्लाइमैक्स में पहुंचने से पहले वी वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन द स्टेज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ हीरो होंडा इंडियन टेलीविजन अकेडमी अवार्ड्स, मिसेस अनु रंजन, टू शेयर हर फीलिंग्स विद ऑल ऑफ अस।
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to the 5th annual Hero Honda IT Awards. Yes, it's been 5 years since we embarked on this journey, and as you witness, it just gets bigger every year. In fact, you're not just witness, you are the main reason that we're getting better every year. The ITA received a record-breaking 2,500 entries from 150 production houses and channels this year. And honestly, the unwavering faith and belief placed in us by the entire Indian television fraternity has not only reinforced our resolve, but has given us the muscle to keep up this momentum. Other than the TV fraternity, the chipping in by our TV viewing audiences deserves an award too. Over 3.5 lakh voters participated in the polling for this year's Popular Choice Awards. Thank you to each and every one of you. And before I move on to thank some very deserving personalities, a few words about the incredible trio of aces that have made the HHITA a world-renowned and world-watched affair. This threesome includes our sponsor, Mr. Pawan Munjal of Hero Honda, our telecast partner Star Plus, and the ITA. Mr. Pawan Munjal has not only shared the ITA vision, but has wholeheartedly nurtured this dream since the day it was conceived. And none of this would have been remotely possible had it not been for his constant, solid support. Thank you, Pawanji. And thank you, Mr. Brij Mohan Lal Munjalji, Chairman Hero Honda, for gracing this occasion. Star Plus has made it possible for this big night to reach inside the living rooms of millions of families living across the globe. In addition to the homes in India, this year the HHIT Awards will also be viewed in TV screens in the US, in the UK, in Singapore, in Pakistan, and the Middle East, making us second only to the American world, which shows that are viewed internationally. Thank you to all my friends at Star Plus. And the third ace, of course, is the ITA. And all of us at the ITA started out with which is a castle in the sky. And fortunately for us, we're now living our dream. The last half decade has seen television grow unimaginably in status and in stature. The programming executives, the creative thinkers, the actors, the writers, the directors have all worked 24/7 to provide entertainment to millions of homes in this vast country. ITA just wanted to ensure that the force behind the largest entertainment medium of this country was given its due. We have ensured that our industry and fraternity is constantly acknowledged and rewarded for its dedication, be it at the ceremony or by means of your glitzy and glorious monthly TV magazine, which is now available in Hindi and English and being read by thousands of families across this country. Further, the ITA has left no stone unturned to make it possible for our fraternity to always rise to the occasion and return thanks to our society and nation at all times, in times of need. The ITA initiated relief efforts as we all did a commendable job together for the victims of tsunami, the Mumbai floods, and the Kashmir earthquake. Please, everybody, put your hands together for us, the Indian television industry and fraternity. And before I conclude, I wish to thank the following persons with all my heart for their support to us: Hero Honda, Star Plus, our telecast partner; Icona for computation and finalization of ranking; Asian Age and Deccan Chronicle, our national print partner; Mumbai Mirror, our Mumbai print partner; Red FM 93.5, our official FM partner; and Bright Advertising for outdoor publicity. And looking forward to many, many more wonderful years ahead. Cheers, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you and enjoy yourselves. Thank you.
मैं हूँ समीर सोनी
और दोस्तों मैं हूँ रक्षंदा खान।
आइए देखते हैं कि इस साल कौन सा न्यूज़ चैनल जो थोड़ी ही देर में ये ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ अपने चैनल पे फ्लैश करने वाला है कि उसकी चैनल को इस साल हीरो होंडा इंडियन टेलीविजन एकेडमी अवार्ड्स का बेस्ट न्यूज़ चैनल अवार्ड मिला है। और इसके नॉमिनीज हैं आज तक, NDTV India, Star News and Z News.
And to give away this award, I'd like to invite onto stage the Managing Director of Hero Honda, Shri Pavan Munjal.
The Hero Honda Indian Television Academy Award for the Best News Channel in a popular category goes to Aaj Tak.
May I take this opportunity to thank the organizers of Indian Television Academy, Anu and Sashi Ranjan, and the entire ITA team for organizing and great entertaining evening. Thank you very much.
हमारी जो ऑडियंस है ना, वो सब कुछ पहचानती है और वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से पहचान गई है कि बेस्ट एंटरटेनमेंट चैनल कौन सा है। लेकिन वो जानने से पहले हम सुनेंगे कि नॉमिनीज कौन है। The nominees are Star Plus, Star One, Zee TV and Sony. And the award goes to
Star Plus.
Good evening, everybody. I just like to say a few words. Star Plus has been getting this award every year now for the last 5 years. The people who come to accept this award change every year, but the award goes to Star Plus.